In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get a refund for IKEA products in 2025. Sometimes things don't go as planned with our IKEA purchases, whether that's a flat packed furniture piece that didn't quite meet expectations or an accessory that doesn't fit just right. Whatever the reason, getting a refund from IKEA can be a straightforward process, and I'm here to walk you through each step, ensuring you know exactly how to manage it without any confusion. To kick things off, you'll want to head to IKEA's official website. You can do this from your computer, tablet, or smartphone by simply entering ikea.com into your web browser. Once you arrive on the site, you'll be greeted with a range of options from store locators to product showcases, but we're looking for something specific today, so let's move on to the next step. From the homepage, navigate towards the section labeled Planning and Services. This is where you'll find various customer support options intended to help you after your purchase. This section is crucial because it connects you to the resources you'll need for making a return or requesting a refund. Take a deep breath and give yourself a moment to locate this section. There's no rush. After clicking on Planning and Services, you'll need to scroll all the way down. You'll notice a range of topics. Often these are organized to help customers quickly find the assistance they need. Simply scroll down until you reach the area specifically dedicated to returns and refunds. Keep an eye out for this section, as it can sometimes be easily missed amidst all the other helpful resources available. Once you've reached the bottom, look for an option titled How do I return or refund online orders? Click on this link as it will be your gateway to understanding IKEA's refund policies. It's here that you'll find all the specifics, including what products are eligible for a refund, how long you have to initiate a return, and the procedures to follow. Take your time to read through this policy. It contains information that ensures you're fully prepared and understand any conditions or exceptions that might apply. By completing these steps, you'll be well on your way to successfully making a return or getting a refund from IKEA. With a little preparation and patience, the process can be smooth and hassle-free. Understanding the policies in advance saves you time in the long run and helps make sure you're fulfilling all necessary requirements. And that's it. Armed with this knowledge, you're ready to proceed confidently with your return. If you have any further questions or need additional help, don't hesitate to contact IKEA customer service for personalized support. I hope you found this guide helpful, and best of luck with your IKEA refund process.